All right, last three on this set. It says 13. Each of the graphs below has equal scales on its axes. Which of the graphs only show points for which the y-coordinate is one more than the square of the x-coordinate? So that would look like this. One more than the square of the x-coordinate. Okay, so if I think about that, then I know it's going to be a quadratic. If I look over here, A, C, and E are the only ones that are quadratics. I can rule out B and D. They're linear, right? So if it says one more than, so it's going to go up one. The only one that goes up one is E. C is upside down. It'd have to be negative. And this one, I'm going down one. So this one, I'm going up one. So it's E. All right, 14. Each of the following graphs shows a quadratic function in the standard coordinate plane. Only one of the functions has two real zeros. In other words, you can see it cross in the x-axis in two spots. Well, there's only one that does that, and that's G, right? See, 1, 2 spots. This one doesn't cross at all. This one doesn't cross at all. This one hits once, and this one hits once. This is the only one that clearly touches the x-axis in two places. That's all that means, all right? All right, last question. Which of the following equations describes a circle with a center of 4, -1, and a radius of 7? Okay, now this would be nice if they left it in standard form, but they went ahead and drew it all out. So here's what we got to do. I'm going to do this over the side. I'm going to say x minus 4, because they said 4 and -1, so y plus 1 squared, and equals 49, because 7 squared is 49. All I did is I plugged in 4 and -1, and 7 squared is 49. Okay, everybody good here? Now, if I Punnett square each one of these, remember I have to Punnett square, I'd get x squared, minus 8x plus 16, and then y squared plus 2y plus 1 equals 49. All I did is Punnett square. You guys remember Punnett square? I'll do it down here real quick just so in case you don't remember. I would have to do x minus 4, x minus 4, and that's x squared minus 4x minus 4x plus 16. Okay, do you remember that? So x squared minus 8x plus 16. All right, that's all I did up here on each one of these. I did that set and then that set. All right, now all I'm going to do now is move the numbers to the other side, minus 16 to both sides, and minus 1 to both sides. So now I'm left with x squared minus 8x, that's gone, plus y squared plus 2y, that's gone. And if I say 49 minus 16, that leaves me 33 minus 1 more is 32. So, if I come over here, there's only one with 32. Oh, there's two with 32s, right? So I can rule out A, C, and E, right? All right, and then I have to have x squared and y squared, and then minus 8x. So the only one with minus 8x is B. So my answer is B. Okay, hope that was helpful.